My Christmas tree is all about family. Let me show you. Most of the ornaments are family. Okay, there's Emmy. I love that little haircut. Emmy when she was a catcher for her travel ball team. And here's Seth. He was dressed up for a winter formal. Okay, there's Emmy again. That was just last year. And that's Emmy when she was just a toddler. And coming up, here's Joanna. Joanna, she's the oldest. And here's Joanna last year. She has her own business. And Joanna again, year before. Lily Mack, she's the baby at age 6. Seth, he's grown up a lot. He's at NC State. Seth, when he was a soccer kid. Joanna and little Miss Cinderella. I made her a Cinderella costume. Doesn't she look just like Cinderella when we went to Disney? And Lily Mack as a baby. Emmy. And Emmy playing softball. She was the catcher on her high school team. And Emmy again as a young lady. Lily Mack last year. Lily Mack, a little bit, maybe 3, 4. Seth, when he was a toddler, he was the sweetest baby. And Seth again, in 2006. 2016, 10 years later. Okay. Joanna. Joanna again, pretty girl. Seth, soccer man, he loves soccer. And Emmy, Joanna again. And Joanna, have a different one for every year. Lily Mack in 2020. And Emmy going to a school formal. Seth, 2020. Let's see, okay, here's Emmy in her full catcher's gear. She was good too. And Seth in his soccer uniform. Seth going to a school dance. Emmy again. Emmy. Seth, I think that's the year he broke his leg playing soccer. And that, here's Lily Mack this year when she went to Disney. And that makes my tree so beautiful. Let me tell you, the snowflakes were all crocheted by my mother. She made a set for all of us in the family, so all of us have a set of her snowflakes. And the poinsettias they're probably 10 years old. Don't they still look good? I'll show you a hack about how to keep them later. Bye-bye.